Hello friends, myself Gaurav Gadge. I am working as an assistant professor in Department of Electrical Engineering at St. Vincent Pallotti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. Here I am going to introduce you the syllabus related to the third semester branch Electrical Engineering, which is offered by Rashtrasanta Tukadoji Maharaj, Nagpur University, Nagpur. Just see the contents which are shown. BE is indicating Bachelor of Engineering. ELE is indicating electrical branch, 3 is indicating third semester, and 04 is indicating the fourth subject, and T is indicating theory. This is the name of subject, network analysis. Let us check the contents of the subject. There are 6 units in this subject. Unit number 1, it deals with the initial or basic fundamentals of the network analysis, that is circuitry, or you can say the fundamentals related to electrical circuit. It gives you the idea about the different types of sources like the voltage source, current source. Then you need to understand the source transformation, which you may apply to the different circuit solutions. So source transformation, where you may have to convert voltage to current or current to voltage. Then you have to understand the mesh analysis, the fundamentals related to the circuit, from which you have to form the equations. After formation of equations, you need to understand the matrix solution to get the unknown parameters. This is related to the independent sources with the connection of reactance. Like unit number 1, you have nodal analysis. In unit 1, you understood mesh analysis. In unit 2, you have to understand nodal analysis. This nodal analysis is applicable to the same electrical network. This electrical network consists of independent sources with the reactances. With that, you have to understand one more topic that is related to this electrical network as duality, where you may have to find the duality of resistance, inductance, capacitance, voltage, current, etc. Then unit number 3, it deals with the theorems, with the help of which you can find out the parameters or you can make the circuit simple. The theorems are superposition, reciprocity, Thevenin's, Norton's, maximum power transfer, compensation, diligence, etc. So there are 7 theorems related to this network, where you have to apply that theorem to get the solution of the network, and it is applied to AC and DC circuits. Unit number 4, this Laplace transform and its properties. This is the topic. The fundamentals related to that topic is already covered in the mathematics subject, but in this network analysis, which is related to electrical networks, you have to understand the Laplace transform to the parameters. The parameters as resistance, inductor, and capacitor. So the parameters are now connected in series, like the connection where you have to analyze RC series circuit, RL series circuit, RLC series circuit, where you have to find the initial conditions and then you may have to find out the initial conditions evaluation. Then unit number 5. That unit number 5 deals with the transient behavior concepts of the complex frequency. Under that, you have to understand driving point and transfer functions related to poles, zeros of transfer function and their properties. Last unit is unit number 6. It deals with the two-port network. In two-port network, you have to find the relationship between the input and output, different parameters, maybe current and voltage, which is represented with different ports or say parameters like H parameter, Z parameter, Y parameter, ABCD parameters, etc. Study of series and parallel resonance is another topic in the same unit. Then series and parallel resonance is applicable to 3-phase balanced and unbalanced circuit and their power calculations. So here you have 6 units in this particular subject. Now to get the understanding of those 6 units, you have to refer certain textbooks and the reference books which are mentioned in the syllabus. The title of the book is same related to network analysis, linear network theory, circuit and network and system, etc. The name of authors are first book which you have to refer, which I want to suggest, is D. Roy Choudhury is the best book which you can refer for to understand this particular subject. Another book is Keker and Pandit, and third book is Van Valkenburg. So in this same sequence, you can refer the books so that you can understand this particular subject very well. You can clear your concept and you can easily get through the subject. In fact, this subject is also there in the GATE examination, where in the syllabus of the GATE they mention this network analysis. So that's all with this introduction. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day.